Let me show you how this looked before. Welcome to our new installation of a cork floor. Over the past years, since 2017, we've been installing cork floors, and today I'm going to show you the latest installation we've done. And you probably notice which room is this. This is actually our gym. So let's go through the reasons why we install it on the gym and its benefits. Believe it or not, this is the 7th time we install cork floors. We did cork floors in single families, we did it in apartments in Lisbon, and finally we are bringing it to our gym because of its comfort, its insulation, and acoustic elements. The biggest benefit of this floor is you can train barefoot. Yes, it's really comfortable. You feel really good either doing yoga, doing weights. This is the perfect floor that we decided for our gym. But let me give you some specs exactly on what we've used. First of all, here's a sample of the material we used. We actually bought this end of line of a collection that the Amorim group had. So it was a really awesome price. And we've been installing it in several places. I'll leave the links for the other 2 videos where we install it, and you can see how is it looking after 3 years. But this is one of the samples. In this specific room, we decided towards this pattern. We really love it. It's a very light tone, so we really enjoy it for this space where we are training. And it's really super simple to install. I'll show you a video of the installation of these pieces. You can also see it here. It's one of those clip and go. And here's the back. So it's also a cork layer that's fantastic for thermal and acoustic insulation. So overall, we strongly recommend this for our house, your house. It's amazing benefits. Also is a sustainable material. So only benefits all around. But let me get into the specifics. What do we put below this under the concrete plate and the floor? Let me show you the 2 options that we've used and the reasons why. First, we have this little piece of fabric. It looks like grandma's and bits of sewing, but it's actually, you need to pay money for this. It's not free, but is a good investment. If you're looking for acoustic insulation, this is the way to go. You can even have it thicker. We've used this in apartments where you have a above floor and below floor, and you don't want to be hearing the neighbors. So we basically put this below the installation of this floor to offer that extra acoustic barrier. But that's not what we've done in this space, because in this space, it's a single family. It's a room that we own it, so we don't have neighbors. So we didn't need that, but we needed something really important because this area where we are, it has a lot of humidity, and we don't want that cold and humid coming from the floor into this. So we have this material. It looks like an aluminum wrapper, but it's not. It's much more than that. I'm going to show you here in more detail. It has these little bubbles, which offers an acoustic and thermal barrier, but here we are looking really is for that thermal barrier. By putting this, you get that extra comfort that the cold from the floor in the winter is not coming through. So basically, you put these under the floor, and there you go. Let me know in the comments, what do you normally use, and would you consider cork floors for your next renovation? We strongly recommend it. Let's go next. Yes, this is a battle rope because why not? We have this massive space. We want to do some CrossFit and we thought, let's make an installation for the battle rope. And you worried about the floor? Well, we are not that worried because of the durability of cork. So here we go. We probably need to change where we added the connection for the rope a little lower, I think. But the best of all is that you can actually train barefoot. So that's super awesome. Let's go. This is a super comfortable floor for doing yoga. To do this on the floor, you really need to have it really vacuumed. So that's why we have a little Roomba device, so we can keep it always clean and nice, so you can exercise. We went all the way in this space. We actually have some connectors on the ceiling and on the walls, so you can do stretching exercises. And here we go, TRX. And let me show you how this looked before. Let's do a little walk through the room we created. It's pretty large. I'll say it's reaching about 30 square meters. We still need to install the air conditioning. We have here a little lounge area. Also the rope to do the TRX. In every place we always install a vent because it's super comfortable in the winter. And yeah, we have a little projector here so we can watch movies on this wall. Looks pretty nice. And this is our gym corner. Trying to have some greenery, make it pretty zen with all the equipment, and of course lots of awesome YouTube videos to exercise on this amazing cork floor. I hope you enjoyed this video about our latest installation of cork floor. Let us know in the comments, will this be a floor you would consider for your house? Its benefits are pretty big: insulation, thermal comfort, sustainability, and durable materials. This is what you get with a cork floor. If you're interested to learn a little bit more about cork floor, I have these other two videos. One of them about how we chose the color of our cork floor, and the other one, how is our cork floor looking after 3 years. See you until the next time. Thank you so much for watching.